The method for bonding a dish to a tree involves several steps to ensure the safety of the tree and the stability of the dish. Firstly, choose an appropriate location. Select a healthy tree with strong branches that can support the weight of the dish. Avoid branches that are dead, diseased, or heavily shaded. Secondly, prepare the mounting surface. Trim any branches or twigs that interfere with the dish's mounting location. Clean the bark with a soft brush to remove dirt or debris. Thirdly, use a universal mounting bracket. Install a universal mounting bracket designed specifically for trees. These brackets typically have a wide base that distributes the weight and prevents damage to the bark. Fourthly, apply a non-damaging adhesive. Spread a non-damaging adhesive, such as an acrylic-based construction adhesive, to the base of the mounting bracket. This adhesive will bond the bracket to the tree without damaging the bark. Fifthly, secure the dish. Attach the dish to the mounting bracket using the provided hardware. Tighten all nuts and bolts securely to ensure a stable connection. Sixthly, use a weather-resistant sealant. Apply a weather-resistant sealant to the edges of the bracket and dish where they meet the tree. This will help protect the installation from moisture and prevent rot. Seventhly, trim and clean. Trim any excess sealant or adhesive. Inspect the installation and clean any debris that may have accumulated. Consider using a tree-friendly strap or cable to further support the dish and prevent movement. Avoid attaching the dish directly to the tree trunk, as this can restrict growth and potentially damage the tree. If possible, orient the dish towards the desired satellite position while ensuring that it does not interfere with the branches. Regularly monitor the installation and make any necessary adjustments or repairs to maintain its integrity. These steps help ensure a secure and environmentally conscious installation.